Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by selecting the exact paragraph whose number you want to change. This targets Word to that list level. Once selected, right-click the number and pick Set Numbering Value so you can directly edit the sequence. If that option is not visible, make sure to open Home, Numbering, then define New Number Format to access advanced controls. Doing this first avoids rebuilding lists and preserves formatting. It tells Word which list and which level you intend to modify before changing the value. Once the dialog appears, enter the desired number or choose Resume Numbering to continue a previous sequence. Make sure you explicitly pick Start New List at and type the numeric value when you want to force a specific number. If you work with multi-level lists, verify the correct level. For example, Heading 2 is selected, so sibling numbering isn't inadvertently altered. This step controls continuity. Either link to the prior list or break and set a new starting index for predictable results. To finish, click OK and scan adjacent paragraphs to ensure numbering flowed as you intended. Small formatting differences can cause unexpected resets. If numbers revert or restart, check for separate list containers, text boxes, or section breaks that isolate lists and remove or reconnect them. Make sure styles are consistent across items. If layout lost formatting, use Format Painter to reapply the exact numbering style. Troubleshooting tip: when Word keeps resetting, convert to plain text.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.